my drone where the rivers run, salt and bird shining in the sun. The rocks were hot, the breeze was dry, but the giant stood where the land meets sky. They're called saguaro, tall and proud, rising quiet, never loud. They only grow in the Sonoran land, rooted deep in the desert sand. It takes 10 years to reach 1 foot, 100 more till they firmly root. They live for 2 centuries or more, seen the floods and the desert war. Giants in the desert, arms held high, waving slowly at the dragonfly. They've seen it all and they still remain through burning sun and monsoon rain. A woodpecker drills a morning song, an owl takes shelter when night is long. They bloom white flowers in early May, but only for a single day. By phon-d I made my rounds over quiet trails and sacred grounds, where people fish and the coyotes roam, and the cactus kings call this place home. Giants in the desert, still and wise, reaching up to those painted skies. They don't speak, but they understand the weight of time on stolen land. So I flew my drone and I tipped my hat to the tall green spires and desert flats. If you listen close when the wind comes near, you might just hear what they've seen